Hello YouTube, Copper King Recycling, and today on the table, more trash finds. I was taking the garbage out where I live and somebody's air mattress died. Too bad for them, good news for me. So we're just going to go ahead and take out the 40-50 screws that are in it, because obviously this technology needs it. Look at those, a screw. That's just a blank spot. And then we'll dump these. These come out. I know they do. Come out. Well, you're about to get thrown away. Kidding. So, that's the garbage in the garbage can. I'm sure I'll miss 10, 20 screws. But let's start with these 4, 6. Oh, this little part is just the compartment. Oh, there's 2 screws in there. This is just where the cord is stored. Cut that off. So open it up. Over here. Oh, that's the dial. That comes off. Screw in there, or a spring in there. Screw, spring, same thing. Garbage. Let's just take all these out. Lose one. Ooh, what's all this? What's all this? Garbage. Garbage. Oh, cool, more screws. Oh, this is a little switch. That's gonna have silver. Yeah. Let's make this easy. Assuming I can find these. Give me that. Oh, that's looking like aluminum wires. Well, so much for doing it the easy way. We need a long one to get down in here, way down in there. I wonder if that will reach. Nope. So close. I need a bigger screwdriver. And then there'll be one here. Maybe I can hit it. There it is. This little motor's looking very copper colored. But that don't mean nothing. Oh jeez, I can't even see that one. Where's my light? Try that. Oh, how are you under there? But if I take this off, he said before he found 10 more screws. And then this off. Maybe we can... Oh, that's why there's screws. Why? Oh, keep it separated. I get it now. Get it with... Nope. That's how you take it apart. Okay, come to me. Let's try that again. You can kind of see it. Right. Got it. See a little motor for the pump. Unfortunately, this is an air pump, and that is crap. That is another plastic right there. So we'll just give that back to the garbage can. This is all plastic. I've already thrown away the mattress that came with it. And here's the good stuff. Well, that screw right there. There's always one. Wait. Come out, you. There we go. I haven't seem twitchy today. I think it's a lack of beer. Well, I got an easy way to do this. We'll just go ahead and grab this, put that on, and then we'll find a suitable solution. Holy moly, that's some strong A plastic. What if I hit it a little harder? Got that piece off. All right, let's see what we're doing here. Oh, and more screws. Okay, now my shield's bugging me. That's better. Oops, got a little something on the table. Just get this perfect place to put it on the floor. Why am I doing that? There we go. Really? Mm-hmm. You? Oh, we're still on Earth. Gravity works here. There we go. Those out of there. Maybe. I keep trying to use my fine finger skills, which at my age, I don't have. There we go. And more garbage. Cool. Not garbage. Alrighty. And here's my long glue plug with my brass ends I want to cut off. No, thought I lost my snippers already. Here's that. And my lovely wire. Some dumb advertising. We'll get all the copper out of this. Yeah, I was like assuming it's copper. There we go. Let's do that for now. Don't knock that over. He said before he knocked it over. Oh, cool, more screws. And, before I go making myself mad, spending all my time getting at something that may not even be copper. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's your proof. One side is, the other side is. So we have a slight problem. My file getting stuck. Chinesium. Cool. Yeah, jerks. But I see something that's copper in there, and I want to get you apart. Just set that down. Get this out. Okay. So is there a bolt on the other side? This one. Yes, yes. What other ones am I missing? There'll be another 8 in here. Get in the bed. There we go. Yeah, you're dead to me. Whoa. On the side. Snipper, snipper. Uh-oh, trapped. My tool's trapped. Oh, great. Haven't been out here for a while. Hurt my back. I've literally done bare minimum for the last month-ish. So Haven't been out here doing much. If you watched my last video out here in the shop, things probably don't look different. This off here. I want you off now. Well, I will get the knife. There we go. That was mostly. Oh, I forgot about this side. What if I? And what if I? There. Oh, really? There. Jeez. The sniffles out here. I always get the sniffles when it goes from when the barometric pressure changes for rain, whether it's going to rain or coming from rain. Barometric pressure changes to whatever, and I suffer the consequences. Your aluminum, and I don't know why I was doing that. Because now I want these brass pieces out of here. I'll get those out. Oh, that's tack welded. I thought those were screws for a second. So there's brass in there and there. I will consider getting that out. I might. And this is Chinesium. And this is stuck on there. Unless you do something like this, put on your shield so it doesn't hit you in the eye. That's going to be a hard one to explain to your insurance agent. Why do I have scrap metal in my eye? That's weird. Okay. There, take that off. Safety first, kiddies. Safety first. What in the world? Oh, sometimes these are brass. This one is not. Now that looks like copper, and this could possibly be copper. Of course, get off it. The metal tools are sticking into the magnet for some reason. Of course, this looks like beautiful copper. And then you flip it over and see where I filed it, and it's clearly not. In case that's not clear. Yeah, copper coated aluminum. Yep, bummer. So then you go like this. Oh, copper. This is probably aluminum. I said probably aluminum. I meant, oh, copper, copper. These aren't that hard to get off. Get them all hot. These things pop right off. Sometimes they'll pop off here. But they're kind of welded in there. I mean, melted in there, forged in there. I don't know what that is. When you incorporate plastic and metal. Yeah. So I will put that in with rotors. Which is this one? Yeah, this one. All kinds of rotors in here. There's one. What else is in here? Oh my goodness. There's all kinds of rotors in here. Why is that? Someday I will get enough of these, or tired of looking at them, and take care of them. But for now, get in the box. Get in the box. That sucks. It's very light, even though this is steel. Tragedy. Here we are now that I've cleaned up those parts and got all the reusable materials out of it. This was steel and aluminum. I'm not breaking that down. This was the cord. This was all part of this little device, or part of the rotor. And I did get out those little pieces of brass that were in there. Unfortunately, some of it was steel. Where is those pieces? There they are. Obviously not all of it was brass, but there was some little tiny brass, and there was a little tiny piece of the copper on a spring, and then this will be my dirty brass, and this is my beautiful copper. So let's weigh this out and see what we get. So got the scale turned on. We're going to use that as a plate. Tear that out. Oh, look at all that brass. Ooh, so much. Make sure I don't lose any of the tons of brass. Whoa. I might have to get out my jeweler scale to weigh that giant amount. If you get really close, it does look huge. But this scale is not a jeweler scale. Let's see, what is 1/10 of an ounce? It's 28 grams in an ounce, so whatever. Let's just assume it's not very much. This little piece, yeah, real heavy. Real heavy. 2.8 ounces, and that is a lot of steel in there, because that aluminum, you know, I doubt it's an ounce. So then we have the plug. Of course, that doesn't count. Doesn't even weigh anything. Then we have all that copper I scored off the... Oh, man, so much. You throw that giant piece in there. The cord did have some beautiful copper. But still, 1 ounce. I guess this would be more like 2.5 ounces. Clearly, I was wrong. Oh, I was like, wait, it's growing. No, because you touched it, dummy. So there you go. One airbed mattress. Some parts that I am not keeping. Oh man, I have so much aluminum. Let's not even talk about it. And some good copper, which I can never have enough of. And brass. I love brass. Thanks for watching.